How to set back tap or double tap to open the camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Next, we go down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. From here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. And then in the System section, tap on Camera. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, to quickly open up the camera, you can double tap at the back here. And that will open up the camera straight away for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.